Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'm going to talk about the number one reason why your manifestation is not coming, the number one reason why you're not manifesting what you want, and how to fix it. Before I get started, my name is Julia, I'm a mindset coach, and here on High Value I'm talking about all things consciousness, inner healing, self-love, and manifestation. And if you're looking for personalized one-on-one support on your journey, check out the box below. I offer email coaching as well as video coaching. Alright, and now let's jump into the topic. This is gonna be a quick video and you might already know what I'm going to talk about today, but this little reminder is going to help you to get back on track because we are so conditioned to believe that what we want is outside of ourselves. But the number one reason why you're not manifesting what you want is that you still think that it's outside of yourself. You still think that it's separate from you, it's somewhere out there or it's somewhere in the future, and you're hoping that you can somehow achieve that external goal of yours or can somehow be with that person that is separate from you. But what you want is not separate from you. That's just how you're thinking about it when you're in lack and when you're believing that you don't have what you want, that you don't have access to what you want. The shift that you need to make, and that's how you're fixing it, that's how you can start to manifest what you desire, is by realizing that you have access to everything that you desire within yourself because you are the God of your reality. You are the creator of your reality. Now in this moment when you're feeling like your manifestation is not here, it's not coming, you don't know how to get it or you don't know if you're gonna get it, you're identified with a version of yourself who doesn't get what they want. And this is actually the only quote-unquote problem there is. There is no problem because ultimately you are source energy, you are the creator of your reality and you can't mess it up. But now there is this perceived problem of you not having what you want, and the underlying reason is that you are identified with the self-concept that doesn't get what they want. Now, the solution obviously is not external, I already said it. The solution is you aligning with the version of yourself who has what they want. You can get what you desire. You can have it. And this starts by going within and becoming aware of the story that you're telling yourself. How are you thinking that you don't have what you want? How does that make you feel? What are you believing? It's very simple. What is the story that you're telling yourself about yourself and this situation, this manifestation? Becoming aware of this doesn't feel great. That's why we want to chase the external manifestation. It's because we want to get away from the inner feeling of not having what we want. But the solution is going within and fixing that inner perception, because you're never gonna be happy until you fix that, until you heal that. Or it's not even a fixing or a healing, it's actually a remembrance of who you are. You're the creator of your reality. You're so amazing, you're shining, you're beautiful, you're worthy. And when you know that, you're not gonna chase your manifestation. In fact, you're gonna be very, very detached because you know whatever happens next in your life is gonna be magical because you are magical. But when you're not in the self-concept and you're not feeling magical or special or loved or worthy or abundant, then you want that external manifestation and you want it now. Can you feel that chasing energy? Can you feel that lack energy? Can you feel the grasping, the craving, the attachment? That's all because you're not feeling good right now. And you can't sustainably manifest from a state of lack. It's not how it works. And if you achieve to manifest, it's not gonna make you happy anyway. So fix that internal connection first. Do it. Go within now and allow yourself to be here right now. It's okay to be where you are. It's okay to be where you are. You are the end goal. You are what this is all about. You are the priority. You are special. You are worthy. You are your focus. You are worthy of your attention, of your presence. And that thing that you want, or that relationship that you want, or that experience that you want, that is something that is a preference in your reality. That is something that you desire to manifest. You don't need it for your happiness. You don't need it for your fulfillment. You don't need to prove anything to anyone. It's all about you. It's all a reflection. And when you start practicing being the version that is fulfilled, that is abundant, that feels happy in the moment without that desire, it's going to be much easier for you to start affirming and to start believing that Of course I can have that. Of course my manifestation is going to come. Of course abundance flows to me. Of course miracles happen in my reality. Of course all the good things are coming to me. Of course I'm abundant. You're gonna naturally believe that what you want is accessible to you, and you're not gonna rush to get it. You're gonna be working on your beliefs patiently and mindfully, and you're gonna enjoy the process because you're feeling happy with yourself. That's what this is all about. And I don't say that you can't manifest at all from lack or that you shouldn't. I just say that having a good connection to your source and to yourself is very, very important to manifest from a state of being where you're feeling good. It's very important for you to be happy in general, because if you're always chasing, it's just exhausting. And even if you can manifest from a state of lack or from a state of feeling like you're incomplete, why would you do that to yourself? I mean, even if you could have everything, the entire world, would you want to compromise yourself for that? And I don't say that you need to take a decision, because you can have your desires, but work on that foundation as well. Do both. If you really want that manifestation and you want to work on it now, do both. You can work on your self-love and on your connection with source energy and being present and fulfilled in the moment and being grateful and appreciating the moment as it is. And at the same time, you can work on building the beliefs and repeating affirmations that are going to get you your manifestation. Just make sure that you're actually believing them. Yeah, you're not saying them in a way that you're chasing your desire by affirming in the hopes that you will get something that is out there, but affirming to reaffirm that you are that person that naturally receives what they want. That's important. You're not affirming to make something come to you. You're affirming to be the version of yourself that naturally receives the things that you want. All right? Let me know if this was helpful. Let me know if you have any other questions. And thank you so much for being here. This was a fun video to make. And this is really the most important shift to understand how to manifest. Keep practicing, keep becoming the version of yourself who has what they want. You're gonna see that in time, you're gonna feel much less urgency, much more fulfillment, and you're gonna see your manifestation come to you naturally and easily. See you in the next video. Bye bye.